What is up guys, Mr. Mickey here. Today we're in Gloucestershire sort of area with a bearded reality, urbex uncovered. We're coming to see some old cars, see what we can find. Is he just gone? It's going to be funny here man. Oh. Yeah, that's what we're looking at. If we can get in. No. Oh. Over we go. Without falling. Ooh. Some old ones here, isn't there? Look at this one. Squashed.
You can see it, somebody tipping it like a long time. Just watch out for that side bit.
Yeah.
After you, Mr. Mickey.
Oh yeah, nice one.
Oh, yeah.
It's like they've all been dumped here, look. Look at that one.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at the old badge on it.
Oh, wait, is that Chrysler? No.
No.
What is it? It's the thing.
It's it here. No. Atkinson. No, I don't know. Where we're going? I'm stepping on a car here. Old Morris sign, look.
Oh, that's awesome.
British Leyland. Yeah.
What's that depth?
I don't know. Citroen, no, I don't know. We're going to go around that way. This way here then. Oh, land, is it Lander? Yeah. As if. That's sad that. Yeah, no, quickly get round here. Look at that. Rickman, 4x4, 4x2. This path's fresh. DMO. Look at this one here.
Yeah, that's old.
Yeah, it's like a military one or something, isn't it? Yeah, we can see path there, look. Thames.
I know, it's awesome, isn't it? I've not
Yeah.
seen one like that.
No. No work truck in it, a mini one. It's hard. Look at all bonnets over there. Look. Look at that.
Minor.
1000, one's mine. It's an old wooden one.
Can we get to it?
Look at the old bicycle. Oh, it's mine. Look at the old woodwork on it, look.
I know, it's pretty, isn't it?
Beautiful, isn't it? Look at
Early
that.
40s.
Early, innit? Yeah. All wood.
There's cars up there as well.
I thought we should just walk round and see me.
I think with this one we've got to be quite careful. Especially with all those signs.
Oh, look at it inside, man. Not red seats, look. Here, look. Here. Old shell. That is mad, that. Try to be quiet.
Sign.
Yeah.
I don't know, mate, it's weird.
Look, the pathway's here today.
I know. I'll leave that one.
Look how they've cut door open to get it open.
Yeah.
It's mad, that. Look how far it sank. Wow. It's just all been eaten by it, yeah. Nature.
Does it look as old, but then the locks on it's weird, isn't it?
W Reg.
These are a bit old, Mick. That castle pretty over there, mate.
It's mad, that. Look at the roof, man.
Oh, look at that. Walking about, isn't it?
Literally separated on it.
Yeah.
Look at the rust on it eating
So
that.
these
Man.
ones are quite very unsure. It's obviously it's a car graveyard, but it's just very shitty is the only word that I could say. Do you know what I mean?
Before we go down there.
Wow. Yeah, look, the Cheltenham Motors thing there though.
Yeah.
No bikes though.
Yeah, back wheel that.
Go in.
Yeah, going into there.
All the old doors, boots, bonnets.
Everything, can't there?
Yeah, all stacked up over there.
There's the hot wheel trims and stuff in there, and cupboard.
Just like mine are there, nice.
Yeah.
The house was huge as well. See, I see that black car over there, but I see a van there too as well.
Yeah. It's crazy, isn't it? There's cars upon cars on the floor before it bush there. Old van in it. So this. Yeah, there's a pathway down there. We're going there. Go on. There. Literally everywhere, aren't they? Look at inside the yellow. It's crazy that. Yeah. Not out cars are just completely gone out there.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know. It's a shed.
That's a sedan, Volvo, is it?
Might be.
You can see that. This kind of go in. It's ridiculous.
Decay in there.
Really outgrown. Yeah, I'm sure about places.
House is right there.
I know, that's why the garden.
Oh, yeah, garden's done it.
Get back.
Oh.
Have to be really careful.
That's an old car.
I think it's just watched this all. Not in the
I
front.
think it's just what. Cobwebs.
That is really weird.
Huh?
That is really weird. The front's kind of taken care of though, if you look at it.
I know, but if someone's looking once you can look at it, make it look like you're saying.
Again, could be an absolute madman though. Like, that's call it.
So yeah, hope you all enjoyed that one. Such a shame to see all them cars rotting away. I don't know, like, must have been saving them over years and then maybe passed or something like that, or I can't look after them anymore, but bloody hell, there's so many cars in there, it's unbelievable. Such a shame they can't be saved again or used again. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Helps, hit that like button, it helps my channel loads. Peace.